Oh my goodness, guys. I think today's the day.
We're a husband and wife team building our dream property in Northern Idaho. We spent the summer building our 30 by 40 barn-dominium, and with the weather changing, it was time to address our most asked question. How the heck are you going to get to your property this winter? And for us, the answer was obvious: build our own snow tracks. But now it's time to put our design to the test and find out if they actually work.
We're expecting some significant snow in the next few days, and it's time to get the tracks on the Snowverlander.
Uh-oh. This is why the ruts grab you. Oh my gosh. I thought I was gonna roll.
Did you need help?
I'm an independent woman! Apparently you guys thought I said I'm a pregnant woman. I am not a pregnant woman.
Game over.
This is why we can't have nice things. Bailey loved this jacket.
Boone, look what you've done.
So much work. I'm tired.
Get her, Boone. Get her, Boone. Get her.
No. We woke up to this, which means that it is finally time to test the Snowverlander.
This is a day that I have been literally looking forward to for months, and it has finally come. We get to find out if these tracks that we built ourselves are gonna work. But first,
it only seemed fitting that we need to match the Snowverlander for her maiden voyage.
so armed with lots of colors, let's go see what happens.
What could possibly go wrong? Step 1, give her a jump.
Quack. Court and I received this jumper pack from Wagon Tech as a gift, and I am super impressed. I was a bit skeptical because I accidentally left it in the truck last night, so it was like 10 degrees last night. It's super cold, but it still jumped the Jeep no problem. And without further ado, it's time to go snowverlanding.
Good idea, bad idea, the best idea ever. I think it's all of the above.
We have a Jeep on tracks! No problem stopping on the hill on this one.
That's really good. Oh my gosh! It just drove up that! We cannot drive up this in our cars right now. That is so awesome! awesome. Feeling good? All the tracks are still on?
I guess so.
All right, onward.
Did you look and make sure all the tracks are on?
The ones that side were.
Okay, can we start from a dead stop on a hill? Like there's nothing even there. It's way smoother if you go a little bit faster.
Okay, this is one of the steepest sections of hill, and it is terrifying driving up this like in a car right now, so we're gonna see what the Snow Overlander does. Didn't know I was gonna work out today. Okay.
I am having so much fun today filming this episode with Courtney. She's outside right now setting up the next camera shot. I'm getting to do all the driving. I'm sitting in the warmth and the Jeep tracks are totally working. This is awesome.
So cool! The real reason we built these snow tracks was so that we could go visit our neighbors that live up the steep hill.
And we did successfully.
Now we're back and we are going to shoot the loop. Basically there's like this loop we can drive nearby and we're gonna go do that. I just got so much snow in my boot. Okay, guys, this is a lot of work filming for you. I hope you like this video. It sprays so much snow.
This thing is so fun.
It's my turn to drive. Watch out.
Goodbye, Courtney.
Oh my gosh.
Funnest thing ever.
We both need one of these.
Wait, where are you going? Wait. Okay.
It's scary.
Woo. Okay, Courtney. Ready? You're going way faster than I ever went. Yes, you are.
I don't know, it feels like a car. All right, this is that steep S turn that is sketchy. We'll see.
I think it's gonna be no problemo. But I also think that everything's gonna be no problemo, even when it is a problemo. I can tell that with those tracks on, there's dramatically reduced ground pressure because I'm walking in the place where the tracks just drove and the snow is still really soft and I sink in. So it doesn't pack it down the same as a car would.
That was so awesome! It just drove like straight up that, like, no.
No, it's awesome, huh?
It doesn't even feel like you're driving up a hill. It's so cool that it doesn't matter how much snow we get now. Hopefully we can just get in and out with this thing. It's like super fun to drive, and it's also an awesome peace of mind that we have another way in and out. But mostly it's fun to drive.
The chili duck. So right over here, there's a big dip in the road. We're gonna see how the tracks articulate as they go through the dip. The tracks are so long, it's like there wasn't even a dip there. That was awesome. Where'd the dip in the road go? Here is S-turn number 2. This is one we've gotten stuck on multiple times. And we're gonna see what this thing can do. I feel like I'm being pushed up the hill. So this is the spot when we did the excavator ice studs where I widened it a whole bunch right here. Cool is that, guys? Just no problem, drives right on up.
It does not feel like I'm driving up the hill. This is not the same hill that we tried. We couldn't make it up in my car the other day.
So here's our tracks from about an hour and a half ago when we headed off on this adventure. Snow's already covered them up. It's been snowing steady all day. First big snow of the year.
That was epic.
They worked!
I was gonna give us like a 60% success rate on this mission today.
I mean, we haven't had a single problem, and that's, you know, knock on wood. But I've definitely been a little nervous about testing them just because I haven't really known what would go wrong. But so far, nothing went wrong.
That was super fun. We probably drove 3 miles.
About 3 miles.
Today. I mean, wow. Like, so cool.
So really excited now to test them in super deep snow.
I think there's a lot more snow in the forecast next week, so it's super exciting to hopefully get to put it to the test even more. But overall, I am so stoked. I mean, we had no idea if these were gonna work. And so to go out and have such an awesome day is awesome.
And it's also just super reassuring to know that we have another way to get in and out of here. So backup plans for our backup plans.
A really fun way. So that's it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know we've all been looking forward to this, and I'm super stoked that we were able to bring you guys along for the ride.
Guys, the easiest way to support our channel is just to throw a comment down below, give this video a like, and share it with your friends.
And tell us what kind of content you want to see. Do you want to see more Snowverlander? Do you want to see more apartment? Do you want to see more Riley learning how to use a snowplow? I mean, there's a lot going on right now, and we want to know what you guys want to see. So let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in a few days.
See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.
We are warming up by the fire after our Snowverlander experience today. That was so much fun. We didn't take the dogs with us just in case something went wrong, but I think they'll get to come tomorrow. Today was so much fun, but it's time to get back to work on this apartment because I'm ready to have a warm space to live so that we can keep going on epic adventures. Back to drywall.
It's Courtney's wing sauce.
This is a good challenge. Okay, I have a challenge for you guys. I am pretty sensitive to onion and garlic, so I try not to eat it, like including onion powder and garlic powder. So if you guys can find anything flavorful that doesn't have onion and garlic, let me know so that I can buy it, because I miss flavor in my life. My Aunt Karen makes the best cookies ever, and we'll let Riley open this because he's a cookie monster.
Oh my god, this is a heavy box. And cookies?
Ooh, gumdrop cookies, those are my favorite.
Ooh, elf toes?
Oh!
No wonder he was sniffing this box.